Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame perspective, we can see that gold is currently showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly to see overall direction in the market. Now if we look at the overall direction on the monthly, we can see that this is a long term bullish market with this impulse correction impulse. Now previous months we have seen that gold has formed an all-time high. There is a huge liquidity trigger in that candle on the monthly and immediately rejected. Now this is a bearish candle and we could see another monthly candle to the downside. From the bigger picture perspective, at this point we saw that in the monthly opening initially we have seen a bullish move to the upside and again a bearish move to the downside. Now at this point we see that gold has created a higher low on the previous monthly low and now again bounce to the upside. As to break this monthly low, gold need liquidity. What I think that gold now initially we might see another attempt from the buyers, as we see that there is a strong monthly resistance with this monthly opening and closing has not been tested yet, and we can expect gold to go ahead and test this level before dropping or before continuing to the upside for further liquidity grab. If we look at the weekly on gold, we can see that from the weekly perspective, this is with this liquidity grab, this is the impulse to the downside on gold. This is the weekly impulse. Now if we look at our Fibonacci level starting of this move to the end of the move, we can see that this is the 38.2% Fibonacci level on the weekly, also aligning with the monthly resistance. What I think that as the price moves from liquidity to liquidity, we saw that here there is a liquidity trigger breaking this low. Now we might see another impulse to the upside to the next liquidity zone and also complete this Fibonacci retracement, and from that zone we might see again gold is reverting back. So there is an imbalance here that we can expect gold to go ahead and fill that zone. Now if we look at the daily today, after this previous daily doji, we saw with this impulse the price has formed a doji. Now today the price has come down to the daily support, and we see now again the buyers are buying this market. As we see that there is a buyers here in that zone created a higher low. What I think that we could see another attempt from the buyer to break this high or even to go ahead and test this level slowly to the upside. At least we can expect today to test this daily 20 EMA to the upside. So for the rest of the time we can expect slowly to the upside on gold. Now if we look at further lower time frame to see what the market is doing now from the intraday perspective, we can see that there is a long week candle on the 4 hour. This is the candle that is closing almost an hour later, but what we saw that in that candle the price has come down to this a very significant support. Here there is a strong rejection created, this move has come to the same level. Again we see that strong rejection coming up. What I think that as the price created a higher low in that support level, we saw in the past also this zone where there is a massive move happen created a higher low, there has been another move happen. Now we see the price is forming another higher low, and we can expect another move towards the upside on gold to create new higher high in that direction. So from the monthly, weekly, daily and 4 hour, we see that there is a potential for gold to move up further to create a new higher high. So let's look at a 5 minutes time frame to see where we can find the entry opportunity. As you can see this price action here with this consolidation, the price has broken out and there is a consolidation here as well. We saw that multiple times the price was grabbing liquidity from the support, giving a very high probability for gold in this lower time frame to trend to the upside. So this is where I will be waiting on gold on this time frame for an entry opportunity according to our TFS strategy. As soon as we will find suitable entry along this zone on gold, we will consider going long with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.